Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly join the amazing family by subscribing. Today I'm finally going to be sharing my pickled cucumber and pickled onion recipe with you like I promised you the other time. It's a very easy one, so let's get right into it. All you need is a cucumber, an onion, and some other few ingredients. And you want to chop your cucumber in any shape or size that you want. We are also going to do the same with our onion. And I like to remove the core of the onion because I don't like that part of it, but you don't have to do that. And I'm using a red onion, but you can use any onion you have available. Just make sure to separate them after you cut it. Now put everything in a bowl and let's continue with the pickling. Just add equal parts of vinegar to equal parts of water into a bowl, a jug, or a cup. You want to add some salt, some sugar. I'm using cane sugar, but you can use any sugar that you have available. Give it a quick stir until the sugar is fully dissolved. You may also use warm water if you like. Next, we are going to add the vinegar mixture to our sliced cucumber and onions and add 1 star anise. We are also going to add some piment pepper, also known as Jamaican pepper or allspice I think, and half of a red chili. You want to slice the chili very nicely and add it to your cucumbers. Give it a quick stir and that's it. Now cover and let it sit in your fridge for at least an hour or two, but just know that the longer it sits, the better it becomes. So it would be a good idea to prep this a day before. You can choose to serve this as a side like I did, but it works great with sandwiches as well. Thank you so much for watching guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.